Kolonji Murray with TaxAssurances. I just want to do a helpful video, a really quick video around businesses and making sure they have the right piece of information when it comes to preparing a tax return. The first thing, obviously, as a new client of mine, what I want to get is the tax ID number for the business, the actual name of the business as is registered with the IRS, and then who the owners are, what percentages of breakdown that the owners have with that business. And then when it comes to the actual preparation of the actual tax return, it's really important that I get all of the expenses that are related to the business. One of the things that I've come across with a lot of business owners is, they start with some basic expenses, some things that they obviously, if you've got rent, if you've got your computer equipment or things like that. But a lot of times, especially with startups, there are expenses that may have been through cash, may have been through, let's say at the starting phase, paid through a personal account. Obviously, that's not ideal. But when you break it down, it actually does qualify as a business deduction. It's conversations like that, it's information like that that I would need in order to make sure that we prepare an accurate tax return. And not just a tax return that is something that business owners want to file with the IRS, but they're also going to want to know for their own purposes. One of the things that business owners have to keep in mind is that they're managing the business on a day-to-day, month-to-month, quarter-to-quarter, and year-to-year basis. And they want to get an understanding of what that looks like based on that time period. So it's really important that on a regular basis, they can update their records, make sure they're capturing everything. Obviously, the easiest part is capturing the revenue for the business. At the end of the year, for most people that are using digital platforms, they're getting a 1099 that's going to summarize that. They're going to have the cash that they're receiving. But it's information like that, it's uncovering the expenses, that is the real meat and potatoes of the tax preparation process. If you've got more questions, by all means, reach out. Until then, have a good one.